Good morning, everybody. Today we learn bisection method, which is first method of solution of algebraic equation. First we study step to solve the bisection method. First step is that equate the given polynomial to 0. Second step is that approximate values are substituted for variable. We take any approximate value. Third step, observe change of sign in function values. Where observe change of sign in function values. Fourth step is whenever sign changes, locate the root. After that, fifth step, bisect the interval in which root is located. And last step is that repeat the same procedure up to finding required iterations, that is 2 or 3. That is last step. So in this manner, these 6 steps are present to solve any equation by using bisection method. Now we take one example. Example is that solve the equation x cube minus 2x minus 5 equals to 0 using bisection method up to 3 iterations. Characteristics of that example is, in that example one polynomial is given to solve, that is polynomial which is given to solve, and name of that method is given in the example. This is important characteristic of that example. Name of the method is given in that example. So this type of example very easy to solve because we definitely know which method is used here to solve that example, and how many iterations we have to find also given that example. So due to this example make very simple for solving. Now we solve this example. First, that write the given polynomial and equate it equals to 0, that is x cube minus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Let write it in the form of function, that is f of x equals to x cube minus 2x minus 5, that is equation 1. Now we take approximate values. First we take x equals to 0. We get f of 0 equals to minus 5. Similarly, we take x equals to 1. We get the final value, that is 6 minus 6. Now observe sign change or not. Here sign is minus. Here also sign is minus. Therefore sign not change. So we have need to take another values. So we take another value, that is x equals to 2. After that we find the value f of 2 equals to minus 1, where also sign is not changed. So we have need to take another value. After that we take this value x equal to 3, and after that we get the value of f of 3, that is 16, and now sign change, and when sign change we have not need to take another value because we get the important interval where the sign change. And how we can write that important interval or root? At x equal to 2 and at x equal to 3, sign change takes place. So change of sign takes place from 2 to 3. Therefore root becomes 2 comma 3. First value is 2 and second value is 3. So root becomes 2 comma 3. Therefore, now this root we can show diagrammatically by using line segment. Here line segment is present, and in that line segment first root is 2, f of 2 equal to -1, and second is 3, f of 3 equal to 16. So this is first root we get. Now we bisect the interval. We get that interval that is 2 comma 3. Okay, so we take that is interval that is 2 comma 3. Okay, so first we find the middle value of the given integrals. Middle value of the given interval, that is a, and formula is that first value plus second value divided by 2. By using that formula we get middle value 2.5. Now put x equal to 2.5 in the equation number 1. Therefore we get f of 2.5 equals to 5.625. Now what is the sign of f of 2.5? That is plus. Therefore now we get the root, that is 2, because at x equal to 2 value is negative and x equal to 2.5 value is positive. Therefore the new root becomes 2 comma 2.5. Therefore we show it diagrammatically as first root 2, value f of 2 equal to -1, second root 2.5, value f of 2.5 equal to 5.625. So in this manner we get first iteration f of 2.5 equal to 5.625. Now we find next iteration, second iteration. So now we find second iteration. Same procedure, that first find the middle value of the previous root, where previous root is that 2 comma 2.5. Okay, so by using the formula of middle method, first write first value plus last value divided by 2. Then we get the value, middle value, that is b equals to 2.25. Now put this value x equal to 2.25 in equation number 1. We get f of 2.25 equals to plus 1.89 plus 1.89, and therefore now we get the root as this 2 comma 2.25, and diagrammatically shows in this manner. First root is 2, f of 2 equal to -1, second root is 2.25, and that root is 1.89. So in this manner we get second iteration, that is f of 2.25 equals to 1.89. Now we find next iteration. Also same procedure, find the value of middle value of the previous root, and we know that previous root here is 2 comma 2.25. So their middle value becomes 2.125. Now put x equal to 2.125. We get the next iteration, that is f of 2.125 equals to 0.345. Therefore, diagrammatically we can write here first root is 2, value is -1, and second root is 2.125 and value is 0.3457. So in this manner we find the third iteration, and after that lastly we find the last value, that is again take middle value and we get middle value d equals to 2.0625. Put x equal to 2.0625 in equation 1. Therefore we get f of 2.0625 and that's value is minus 0.3514, and this value is close to 0. Therefore after 3 iterations the root of given equation is 2.0625. That is our final answer. Thank you.